Well, the opioid epidemic has touched so many lives here in our state. In fact, from 2009 to 2014, Georgia led the nation for the number of patient encounters related to opioids. Now, that's according to a healthcare consulting firm. Health experts say, along with northern states, the Southeast has the highest opioid use in the United States.
Now, Fulton County says statistics like that are the reason it sued drug makers. Fulton County government leaders hope to make manufacturers and distributors of opioids financially responsible for costs incurred treating for the patients. More than 100 people have died in opioid-related deaths in Fulton County alone.
Well, Fox 5's Morse Diggs is live for us at Grady Hospital this evening. And Morse, this lawsuit is really the first of its kind in Georgia.
Well, what they're saying is that the county is spending millions of dollars dealing with this opioid crisis. Everything from paying for emergency room visits here at Grady and elsewhere, all the way down to buying detox equipment, portable equipment for all the law enforcement officers if in the field someone overdoses. So the county commissioners are saying the Fulton taxpayers should be reimbursed for these expenses.
Fulton has had enough. Fulton is taking their county back, and it will no longer be a place where the manufacturers and distributors could dump these opioids.
The popular pain medicines under the umbrella of opioids are targeted in a lawsuit announced this afternoon by Fulton County, the first legal action of its kind started by a government entity.
You have somebody going in to get a wisdom tooth taken out. The doctor, following what the manufacturers and distributors say, they say, okay, let me give you 30 days of a drug, of an opioid. They only need 7 or 10, but let me give you 30. But guess what? After 30 days, 45 days of taking these medicines, there is a physiological addiction that occurs.
The county is going after more than a dozen manufacturers and scores of distributors of the drug, claiming they are not being truthful about the potential addiction. On what basis does the county believe it may be able to recover financial damages? A commissioner cites the human costs, more than 100 deaths, as well as the financial impact on government resources.
They've left our courts filled with an explosion of drug-related offenders, and our jails have become de facto mental health and addiction treatment facilities, and the cost to provide those services has exploded as a result.
So now, is this risky for Fulton County taxpayers? What happens if the county loses in this lawsuit? And the firms say, look, we want you to pay for our legal fees combating your lawsuit. Well, the private attorneys who have this on a contingency basis say, no, it won't cost the taxpayers a dime. They say they will accept the responsibility of handling it should they lose. They're very confident, though, in following the model they say from the old tobacco lawsuit some years ago. They will prevail and make these companies pay. Reporting live from downtown Atlanta, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.
All right, thank you, Morse.